Hello, everyone. I am the eldest cousin of Hongyeong. My name is Davis. In this issue, I will focus on introducing our flagship products to you. The waterjet cutter. The waterjet mainly has 3 axes and 5 axes. In this issue, I will introduce our 5-axis waterjet cutting machine to you. 来，上场景。Here's a 45-degree seamless tissue box just cut out. What about the 5-axis just cut out? There is one more function. It can cut 45 degrees. You can take a look. All 4 sides are seamless, as well as the interior of our products. It's all a 45-degree cut for the effect just made like this. You can take a look. As for the 3-axis, it is mainly used in waterjet part. And our mosaics, this is a finished product. We made the finished mosaic 3-axis. It can cut all kinds of straight lines. This pattern has no angle. Yeah, it's a 3-axis thing, but it has no angle. This is the core component of our waterjet cutting machine. It's also known as the waterjet engine. It's a high-pressure system with a very high standard. Let me show you. This is a high-pressure cylinder. This is the oil cylinder. This one. What about the high-pressure cylinder? We use the American ACK brand. We use American oil cylinders and high-pressure cylinders. A standard for import. Number 2 are high-pressure pipes. Our high-pressure pipes, it uses European brand high-pressure pipes. European brand high-pressure pipe. And 1.2 liters. A large flow accumulator. This is our entire high-pressure component. So here's our pipeline design. You can look at our overall pipeline. In fact, the design is very simple. We don't have more than 10 pipes. You can also take a look at the design of our entire oil circuit, which is very simple. After all, the more oil circuits, the more failures. So we minimize this flaw in the design as much as possible. The main motor uses a main motor of 37 kilowatts with our automatic variable pump. Then cooperate with our high-quality reversing valve. The steering wheel, we use one of Wood's brands. This is a water. You can take a look at the design of our waterway. We made 2 layers of filtered water. And I'm going to show you our whole tank. And here, it's acted. It is very convenient for maintenance. Yes, what about this cylinder? We have a 60-liter stainless steel fuel tank. First, it is easy and durable. Second, the fuel tank will not rust. It doesn't corrode. It won't drop slag. This is done in 2 ways. A very good choice in terms of craftsmanship. We also used a very simple circuit system. You can take a look at our integrated circuit board. Shorten all the lines. Reduce the complexity of our wiring. Easy to repair well. This one of ours also comes with the waterjet, an early warning system, and primordial protection. When the waterjet malfunctions, activate or have an emergency, that would give us good warning. And it is convenient for us to view the code for maintenance. This one is equipped with a water cooling tower. What kind of occasions do we use water cooling towers for? It's okay when we're in some countries in the tropics. In our area, you can use water cooling or air conditioner oil cooling as much as possible. In addition, if it is in some northern regions, we can also choose to use air-cooled construction. It is also very useful. What about this one? It's a supercharger for our air cooling system. This whole system uses an air-cooled structure. Just mentioned that we have a water-cooled system. It's air. And what about us now? Many customers also want to find the oil cooling system. All are available. This is one of our public sand books. This is all automatic and it comes with an early warning. This is our rice sand. It's also pomegranate sand. You can take a look. This is the control system of our waterjet CNC. Our waterjet uses the drawing software of AutoCAD. Equipped with our most advanced Chinese brand waterjet control system, Guangdong. This is the operation interface of our waterjet software. Its intelligence is very convenient for cutting. This is the editor interface. Modifying the parameters. It supports Chinese and English. So let me take you through our CNC system. This is an industrial computer. Industrial PCs are industrial mainframes. Its advantage is anti-interference, and in complex environments, its stable operation, it can support the long-term operation of the waterjet system. Here's the driver and the bus controller. It uses a Huaiheng brand. You can take a look at the overall wiring structure. The setting is very simple. It's not sloppy, so it can support long-term work operation and stable cutting.
This is us, one of the rice machine tools.
3 axes. One is an S-beam, a Y-beam, and this is a Y-beam. Okay, here it is. It uses an oil-soaked structure inside our screw guide. They are all made of use a TBI screw guide. It is pure oil inside. You can see it. Is there pure oil in it? Yes, we will fill it with oil. Okay, what about this issue? I focus on introducing our ACE product, the cutting machine of the waterjet. If there is still Lao Tai who wants to know more about waterjet information, welcome to private message, my lucky cousin. I will answer them one by one. So we end this issue here. See you next time.